How to add workspace on Trello. So let's get started. These are my two workspaces I got here. So if you click on it, you can choose between them, but I'm going to show you how to create a new one. So it's simple. Click on this plus sign and create workspace. Here we can name our workspace, new workspace. Here you can choose the type. So this is gonna be education, and workspace description is how to create a workspace. Click on continue. Here you can invite members. Also, we can use this invite link. So if you simply paste it in your message or email, you can send it to someone, and if they click on it, they will be in this new workspace like this. Okay, so I will do this later, and here we go. This is our new workspace, and this is how can you create one. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you later.